Let's talk about business logic flows. So when we talk about this business logic flows, the thing that come to our mind is basically the main most important thing, that is parameter tampering, or also known as excessive trust in client side control. Okay. In that case, what we can do is we can modify or manipulate the price of any product which is available in the website or that e-commerce site, and we can purchase a product in our own price range. Basically, if the product price is within 500 to 1000 rupees or dollar, we can just modify it to just 5 to 10 rupees or dollar. How? Let me show you in this. So here this is a task given to buy this lightweight jacket. Okay, if I go here and I will check this one, there is an option to add to cart. Okay, but before that, let me just log into my own account. So here you can see that I have the store credit of only $100. Okay, so let's go back to here, and here you can see that the price here is 1337. So when I go here and view details and then add to cart, and now click on this cart option, and when I go here to place order, it will not place because not enough store credit for this purchase. So what we can do, as this website or web server contain a parameter tampering vulnerability, we are able to modify the price request here in this browser, so change to by using the Burp Suite software and change it to our preferred rate. How? Let me show you. So here I am just intercepting on. Okay, then I will go here in view details. So okay, not required here, I think. Okay. Okay, now the main thing, when I click here in add to cart, here in this Burp Suite, here you can see this. Here is the product ID. Okay, and quantity and the price. Okay, so I can do also one thing, I can change the quantity also, and I will change the price range to 13 only. Okay, and now I'll click here in forward. So yeah, okay, forward, again forward. Okay, so now here you can see that we have added three product or three quantity basically of one product which was costing us around like $1337, and now for the three it is costing only 0.13 cents. Okay, not in dollar also. Okay, if I click here in place order, I will able to place the order successfully. Let's check. Okay, so here is the thing, I will click here in forward, and here is the CSRF token, and boom. So your order is on its way. So we have placed the order and we have changed the pricing from $1337 to 0.39 cents, and the quantity is also manipulated by this method from 1 to 3. So this is known as parameter tampering, and for more these types of videos and content, make sure to like, follow, and yeah, stay tuned.